Welcome back to the channel. Today, this is part 2 of 3 parts. With part 1 we took the R top off, roof bars, we put the roof bars back on. In part 2 we're going to put on a rain cover. This rain cover I managed to get for £50 on Marketplace. It's never ever been on a car yet, so here it is in a bag. There's part number and that, so let's get it out of the bag and we'll have a look. Alright, we've opened up the bag. There's the bag. Got some instructions in it. Some instructions, soft top, some other bits. So yeah, how to put this hard top off, things, and that one. Put that down there. This one here, how to put the rain cover on. So we've got all of that. So we'll put that down there. Might have to look at that. There's the bag. 2 of these. Oh. 1 of them. 1 of them, but there's another one in there. Velcro, should be another one. And frame. So I'll have a look at the instructions and we'll start putting it together. Right, silicone lube. We're going to put it together now. We had a trial run because it was a little bit awkward, a little bit tight, but we see how it goes now. But silicone lube. Just put some of that in the runners. And these are marks. Left hand, and there's a green one for the right hand. So look at that. That's the bottom. That's the top. Feed it in. That's better. Runs better with a bit of silicone lubricant on there. That goes in there. We have that bit of Velcro on. Goes on the corner. Like so. Maybe the other side. If you'd like to come with me for a closer. We've done this so it's exactly the same. That green being the right hand side, down to about there. Right. Now we're going to put this on. That's that side, that's that side. Oh. There is a bar that feeds through this central bit. So we put that in ready. That's the bottom. That's the top. And they click over. There's your corners. So we're going to fit this now. Get it about halfway. Let's get it in there. There we go. I'll put silicone spray all around this. And that can go there. Oh. Right, that's in there. That can go in there. That clips behind there. So we've got a bit of... There we go. We're in. Right, onto the other side. A little pull. Oh, sort of come out. Quite awkward. Awkward job. I think if you put this on in the rain, we're going to get wet. Right, we're on. What I'm going to do, hold with it halfway. Come back round to your side. This is like keep fit, isn't it? Right. That one's there. Oh, get on there. Well fit. It's been there before. Right, we're in. Alright, yes we are, don't we? Yes we are. Right. Get that onto there. Zip that up. This is not easy. This will probably be the first and only time this will go on this car, because it's stitches coming apart there. We're on the corner there. So that side's come off, that one doesn't want to stick anymore. This is all happening in real time. So now you're struggling away, putting this roof cover on, pissing down with rain, and you're getting very wet. So it's right, now we're in. That's better. Right, we're on. Try and get that up. There we go. Let's try and sort the other side out. Glad the sun's shining. Right, we're on there. Zip that one in there. Zip that in there. Put that halfway. Right, we're on there now. We can pull that taut. There we go. Back. Find the bar we put in, which is there. Oh. Slide that in there, like so. And to the other side. That in there. As you can see, a bit of a push. Pull that over. Tighten that down a little bit. A little bit. Put that down to there. Right, shut that. Right, so. There we go. Right, that goes on there. So that goes on there. Too tight. That'll go over there. As you can see, it's not very good. Put that there. Put that there. All adjustment this side. All that torque. You get the view now. So there we are. As you can see, it's a bit tight. It doesn't fit very well. Yeah, I don't think that'll be coming on the car again, but that's the gist of a rain cover for a Freelander 1. I think once it's stretched a bit, it'll be alright, but it's probably the first time it's ever been on a car. So yes, there we go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. In the next video, we're going to put the soft top on. So bye for now.